Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change wallpaper in your Motorola Moto G15. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Motorola Moto G15 and you are wondering how to change wallpaper. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Moto G15 settings section. After click over there, you need to click here wallpaper. After click over wallpaper, you need to click here wallpaper and style. After click over there, we will see skin appear just like this. You need to click here home skin and then you scroll down and you need to click here more wallpaper, and then we'll see skin appear just like this. You need to click here on device wallpaper. So from here we'll see a preloaded wallpaper by Moto. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I would like to choose this one, and this is the home screen how this wallpaper going to be looks like. So I'm going to click here set wallpaper and then a pop-up going to appear. Do you like to set this wallpaper in your home screen, lock screen, or both? So in this video purpose I would like to set this wallpaper in my home screen. So I choose home screen and single turn off live lock screen, disable live lock screen. We're going to click here cancel. Now you can see I successfully changed a wallpaper in my Motorola Moto G15. Now you might be wondering how to set your favorite picture in your wallpaper. So for that you need to go again here in Moto G15 settings section, and then you need to click here in the same wallpaper and style, and then you need to click here home screen, click here more wallpaper. In this time we would like to click here my photo, and it's going to be load all my pictures available in my phone. So I'm going to click here camera and I would like to choose this picture, and then this is going to be preview how this picture is going to be looks like in my wallpaper in my phone. So I'm going to click here set wallpaper and then a pop-up going to appear. Do you like to set this wallpaper in your home screen, lock screen, home or lock screen? So I'm going to click here home screen, and that picture is going to be set in my home screen wallpaper. Now you can see I successfully set a wallpaper in my Motorola Moto G15. So within this simple way you can easily change wallpaper in your Moto G15. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.